Let's get straight to the point in this video. If you've got a crush on a girl and want to shift her mindset from responding casually to obsessively thinking about you, we've got 3 simple hacks for you. These tricks are so effective that they'll work on women of any age. But remember, use them wisely because they can be powerful. With these hacks, you'll have her chasing you instead of the other way around. We'll delve into the psychology of women to show you how to pique her curiosity and make her obsessed with you. Let's jump right in. All right, let's talk about something important that guys often overlook: emotional connection. Before we get into some useful tips, let's understand what it means and why it's so crucial for women. As men, we often focus on having fun and going on adventures, thinking that's what they want. But for women, it's not about the activities, it's about the emotional bond they share with someone. It's about being the person they associate with deep feelings and experiences. Creating this connection is simple. Just focus on making her feel something when she's with you. It's not about solving all her problems, but rather being someone she feels comfortable sharing her emotions with. Think about their bad boy image. It's not about being reckless, but about triggering emotions, whether good or bad. By doing this, you'll stay on her mind more than any fancy date ever could. Remember, women are more in touch with their emotions, so tap into that whenever you can. Number 1. Mystery is the key. You've probably watched at least one of the Batman films and noticed how Batman creates a sense of mystery around himself. It's intriguing because our brains always want to know more. Bruce Wayne never spills everything about himself. He keeps things close to the chest, just showing off his mansion and fancy cars. With his nocturnal job, he doesn't have much free time, leaving women curious about his whereabouts. They stick around hoping to uncover more about him. You don't need Batman's life or death secrets to be mysterious. It's simple to create an enigmatic vibe. Start by talking less, especially about yourself, and leaving out details about your social life and hobbies. If she's interested, she'll start asking questions, and by sharing tidbits now and then, you'll keep her intrigued, wanting more. This curiosity can strengthen your bond. On the flip side, revealing too much too soon can kill attraction. By keeping some mystery, she'll have time to get to know you gradually. Even if you don't have much in common, you'll still hold an inexplicable allure. And that brings us to the second key point you need to grasp. Number 2. Mutual interest can create trust and attraction. Now, you need to understand that simply being mysterious has a timeline on it. To reference Batman once again, you'll see that his mysterious personality will eventually force the other person to move on, and this will significantly reduce the attraction between the two of you. You see, the goal after creating that initial attraction is to find something that both of you enjoy doing and talking about. Whether it's shared hobbies, dreams, or goals, she should feel a unique connection with you that she can't find elsewhere. Once she realizes you're someone she clicks with, she'll naturally want to be around you more. To discover mutual interests, take the time to understand her likes and experiences. This allows you to find common ground authentically. Don't fake it. Temporary success isn't worth it. If there's no connection, it's okay to walk away. Sometimes pulling back can spark her interest in your hobbies, a tactic known as reverse psychology. When she starts showing interest in your passions, it deepens her emotional connection to you. Now, what's the final hack you should know? Number 3. Embrace unpredictability. It's perhaps the most captivating hack in this guide, ensuring you remain appealing to her throughout the relationship. However, it's essential not to overdo it, as too much unpredictability can backfire. Women crave adventure, relishing the excitement of the unexpected. While stability has its place, Nothing beats a spontaneous adventure that turns into something extraordinary. Unpredictability here doesn't mean breaking trust or causing doubt. It's about pleasant surprises. Show up unexpectedly at places she frequents or surprise her at work with thoughtful gestures. This injects excitement into the relationship, setting you apart from the crowd. With modern life bombarding us with constant stimulation, keeping things interesting can be a challenge. But positive unpredictability disrupts the monotony, keeping her intrigued and eager for more. Remember, moderation is key. Less is often more. By keeping her guessing, you'll occupy her thoughts, leaving her wondering what's next. You might even find her becoming unpredictable in return, adding to the excitement. Surprisingly, it doesn't take wealth or Hollywood looks to master this. Simply being mysterious, sharing common interests, and embracing unpredictability can make you irresistible. Combine these 3 hacks, and you'll stand out as the most intriguing person she's ever met. But remember, understanding women and navigating the dating game requires more exploration. Stick around by subscribing and explore more insights to decode the female mystery.